Welcome to Wolf Nest, your trusted property management in Salt Lake City, Utah. Today, we're diving into one of the most important topics for landlords: emergency preparedness for earthquakes and snowstorms. These natural events might be rare or seasonal, but being ready means safeguarding your property and protecting your tenants. Understanding the risks. Utah's Wasatch Fault poses a seismic risk, while Salt Lake City averages over 50 inches of snow annually. A lack of preparation can lead to burst pipes, structural damage, and liability concerns. As a landlord, your responsibility includes ensuring safety, especially during emergencies. Earthquake preparedness. Start with a structural inspection, especially in older properties. Reinforce weak spots and secure appliances, water heaters, and tall furniture. Flexible gas lines reduce risks. Share emergency plans with tenants that include evacuation routes, contact info, and safety checklists. Also, review your insurance to ensure earthquake coverage and recommend renters insurance for tenants. Snowstorm preparedness. Frozen pipes can be a nightmare. Insulate them and remind tenants to keep thermostats above 55 degrees. Contract snow removal services early and monitor roof loads during heavy snow. Keep heating systems serviced and confirm carbon monoxide detectors are working. Suggest backup heaters or guide tenants to local resources in case of outages. Communicate with tenants. Clear communication builds trust. Send pre-season reminders outlining snow protocols and how to prevent pipe damage. Provide emergency contacts and clarify tenant responsibilities, like maintaining interior temps or letting faucets drip during cold spells. Encourage emergency kits. Though not required, encouraging tenants to have flashlights, non-perishable food, and water on hand goes a long way. A simple emergency starter kit as a welcome gift shows you care and sets the tone for mutual responsibility. Know your legal duties. Utah law requires habitable housing, even during a disaster. That means working heat, water, and a safe structure. Failing to meet these standards could lead to legal issues, so stay current on emergency repair timelines and your insurance obligations. Think long-term. True preparedness is ongoing. Upgrade insulation, install emergency lighting, and explore solar with battery backup. Digital portals offering emergency guides and maintenance tracking help tenants stay informed while you stay organized. Emergencies may be unpredictable, but your readiness doesn't have to be. At Wolf Nest, we help Utah landlords prepare for the unexpected with expert property management services tailored for resilience and tenant care. Let us help you stay ready so you can stay reliable.